It's now 7:10 on Thursday, 13th of June, and it's time to take off my big heavy winter mooring lines and take off my shore power and get ready to head across to the boatyard to be lifted out today. So it's the first time moving in a year. A little bit apprehensive, but it'll be fine. Exactly what you'd call sailing, kind of more motoring. It's not a breath of wind anyway, which is absolutely perfect for today, seeing as we're going into the cradle. I don't really want a lot of side wind.
It's a little dinghy approaching. Goodbye Portimao.
Yeah, probably for the last time.
After 20 years we've been here. It was nice. I enjoyed it. Feels a bit like home. But time to change. That's Talaguro. Beautiful fishing village. So it's approaching the crane. There she is, coming out the water.
Bit of a mess. Anyone from whistles? Ooh, okay. That's quite a surprise. That's my engine water inlet. I actually don't know how I had such a good flow of water through that engine. Must be a really good impeller on that, a good pump on that freshwater, the raw water pump. Unbelievable. Hi guys, welcome back to Making Waves Presents and my channel about living on a little boat. Yes, we're actually out of the water just now. We're having maintenance done on the boat plus a few little extras. So I hope that you like the video, and if you do, please don't forget, like, subscribe, leave a comment. If you do that, it doesn't cost you anything and it helps my channel greatly. My name's Alfie and you're going to see what we get up to.